Today we will show you how to replace the bottom rubber pads for the vacuum port. First, this is the T spanner, and we should to take off these 4 pieces screws, then get off the plastic clips, then take off this bottom rubber pads, then exchange the new one. Now let's start. First, take off the 4 pieces screws. Okay, then take off these plastic clips. This is 2 parts, the left part and the right part. Now we should to take it off. We can use a spanner for help. Okay, now take off the clips and take care of this sponge. Then take off this one. Now take a new bottom rubber pads and put it to the bottom of the vacuum port. Put it on the right position. Okay, it's finished. Now we put the plastic clips back.
Okay, now the plastic clips fixed. Then now we get the screws and get them back.
Okay, now these 4 screws fixed. Now we put the top rubber pads back.
Okay, that's it.